Many individuals who engage in consistent investing often find themselves pondering a common inquiry: when will this process begin to feel more manageable? When will my investments start working for me instead of me having to put in all the effort? Today, we will discuss what I refer to as the snowball threshold. This is the pivotal moment in your financial journey when the returns on your investments begin to match the contributions you are still making. It's the moment your net worth attains a threshold where compounding transitions from a concept you encounter in videos to a tangible impact reflected in your account balance. Once you grasp this concept, your entire viewpoint on wealth accumulation transforms, as it clearly delineates where the challenging aspects conclude and the effortless components commence. Let's delve into the details of how this operates, and I'll guide you through the process with the precision of someone who has thoroughly analyzed the numbers. Visualize the effort of moving a snowball up a slope. Your monthly contribution serves as the catalyst for growth. In the initial stages, growth is minimal as your investment base, the principal amount you have invested, is relatively small. However, if you persist long enough, there will be a point at which your efforts accumulate significantly, and the forces of momentum begin to support your progress. The snowball threshold represents a significant point in your financial strategy. In the realm of investing, this refers to the juncture at which your yearly returns on investment match the total amount you contribute on an annual basis. Neither more nor less, just balanced. When you reach that balance, a remarkable transformation occurs. Compounding emerges as the primary driver of your financial journey. Now, subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to know more financial insights. Understanding the calculations involved in determining your limits is quite straightforward. Calculate your annual investment by dividing it by the anticipated annual return you expect to achieve. For instance, if you allocate $1,000 each month, that totals to $12,000 over the course of a year. Assuming a 7% annual return, which is a reasonable long-term average for a diversified U.S. portfolio, your threshold is calculated by dividing $12,000 by 0.07. Your approximate total comes to $171,429 over a decade. When your investments reach approximately $170,000 to $175,000, a 7% return on that investment would yield around $12,000 annually. The market is now contributing equally to your efforts. This is not a hypothetical situation. It's important to approach this matter with a clear and rational mindset. Absolutely, the figures are consistent. Let's analyze how this unfolds with varying contribution amounts. Imagine you are allocating $500 each month towards your investments. The annual amount totals $6,000. Based on the same 7% assumption, your threshold is approximately $85,714 over 10 years. If you allocate $2,000 monthly, totaling $24,000 annually, your threshold increases to approximately $342,857 in 10 years. For those who lean towards a conservative return expectation of 6%, the figures align well after 13 years. $100,000 for an individual contributing $500 monthly, $200,000 for someone contributing $1,000 monthly, and $400,000 for a contributor of $2,000 monthly. With an 8% return expectation, the thresholds adjust slightly to $75,000, $150,000, and $300,000 for the same contribution levels but in 9 years. These figures are not random. They represent your personal turning points, where the power of compounding begins to surpass your own efforts. However, it's important to recognize that the duration required to reach your threshold does not vary significantly across different contribution levels. If an individual saves $1,000 each month at an interest rate of 7%, they will reach a total of approximately $171,000 in about 10 years, assuming they start with no initial funds. However, an individual contributing $500 monthly at a 7% return will achieve their $85,000 goal in approximately the same time frame, about 10 years. The magnitude of your threshold may vary, yet the duration to achieve it is influenced by the same compounding trajectory. The primary factor you should focus on isn't the pace, it's the goal you aim to achieve. The amount you contribute each month plays a crucial role in the size of your eventual snowball, while the power of compounding influences the speed at which you achieve that critical tipping point. For instance, consider a scenario where you are 40 years old, enjoying a consistent income, and setting aside $1,000 each month for your future. Starting from scratch, you can expect it to take about 10 years to reach that milestone. That indicates you are approximately in your 5th decade of life. If you currently have $50,000 invested, you can expect that timeline to decrease to approximately 6 to 7 years. By investing $1,500 each month, you can significantly reduce the time needed to reach your financial goals. Even with an investment of just $300 or $500 each month, the goal remains entirely attainable. The monetary figure is reduced, yet the time frame remains notably comparable. The notion that compounding is exclusively beneficial for the wealthy is entirely inaccurate. Long-term participation in the market allows the power of mathematics to surpass the influence of individual effort. The psychological impact of achieving the snowball threshold is significant. Before you engage in it, investing can seem like a laborious task. You are the driving force behind this. Each month, you diligently make contributions, yet the growth of your account seems to lag behind your expectations. However, once you reach that critical point, the dynamics shift significantly. Your investment can generate returns equivalent to your annual contributions. Even if you pause your contributions for a month or two, perhaps due to a challenging quarter or unexpected life events, your overall progress remains intact. Your investments continue to generate returns, regardless of your active involvement. That represents the essence of financial momentum. When your returns begin to align with your contributions, the sense of growth can feel remarkably advantageous. One of the most advantageous aspects is that following the snowball threshold, the curve increases in steepness rapidly. When your returns match your contributions at a certain point, you'll find that just a few years down the line, those returns begin to double your contributions, then triple them, and ultimately surpass them significantly. This is the reason wealth appears to accumulate gradually over the years, and then experiences a sudden increase. The distinction lies not in luck or timing. It's reaching the critical point and allowing the power of compounding to take effect. What strategies can you implement to accelerate your progress towards the snowball threshold? There are 3 key steps that are essential. One important step is to enhance your savings rate, even if it's just by a small margin. An additional $50 to $150 each month can have a significant impact on your financial situation. Another important step is to eliminate high-interest debt. Credit card debt is particularly detrimental to compounding, as the interest rate operates against your financial growth rather than enhancing it. Additionally, it is essential to maintain low investment costs. High-fee funds, frequent trading, and pursuing hot stocks can significantly hinder your progress toward achieving your financial goals. Investing in low-cost index funds and maintaining a long-term approach tends to yield favorable outcomes, primarily because they enable the power of compounding to work effectively without disruption. It's important to consider how to safeguard the momentum you create. It is essential to maintain an emergency fund that is sufficiently robust to allow you to avoid liquidating investments in the event of a market downturn. Now, watch the video appearing on the left side to know the passive income ideas that will make you rich. Also, subscribe to our channel to help us complete our goal of 11,000 subscribers.